The Forms Manager tool is useful for showing and hiding fields within the MRO, making fields required, and renaming fields. To access the Forms Manager, go to the Tools menu in the top left of your screen, System, and Forms Manager. Each module within the system has its own folder to reflect the fields within that module, so make sure to toggle to the correct folder for your purposes. Once in the folder you're looking for, you'll see the columns for Hidden, Required, Duplicate Check, and Label. Hidden means that the field will not be visible for any users within the database. Required will make sure that the field is populated the first time a record is saved and any subsequent time it's changed. Basically, that field always has to have something in it. Duplicate check is only available for certain fields within the work order module specifically, and it'll display a prompt when first saving any work order if, for example, any other work order has the exact same asset ID and account ID in its record. Finally, the label field allows you to change the title of a field so that it's custom to your organization. With this tool in general, please keep in mind that all changes will affect the entire database. That means all repair centers will see the changes you make here.